Ouch.
Do you want to see if any of the fish is done enough to put into your taco?
I doubt it.
Huh?
I doubt it. It needs to be flipped in.
Just cilantro is the only thing it's missing.
Yeah, cilantro. Oh, and,
Perfect little meal that my son
Corn.
made for me. The only thing that's missing is
Cilantro
cilantro
and corn.
and corn. Do we have any frozen corn?
I use it all for ramen soups.
Mm.
I use up all the peas too. Oops.
Yeah. Well, the corn's from the tortillas. Yummy, yummy. It's got rice at the base, avocado,
Rice at
beans
the
and
base, beans. Rice at the base, then beans. You can see the. Come here.
I got it in the camera.
Rice, beans, avocado, cheese, bell pepper, and a tiny bit of garlic.
Garlic?
I mean, onion.
Onion, yeah. Tiny bit of onion.
Yum.
Garlic would work too if you like spicy stuff. But you know,
Do it work.
just enough,
I would-
onion to put a little bit of zest. No, I want
My ideal version of this would have rice, beans, avocado, cheese, yellow bell pepper. I like to flavor and texture of the yellow bell pepper.
better.
Golden
Yeah.
bell pepper better than red pepper.
Yeah.
Right? And green pepper tastes horrible. Red pepper, I mean, I'm not a big fan. I definitely don't like it. Yellow bell pepper tastes amazing. Golden bell pepper. So, rice, beans, avocado, cheese, golden bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, and maybe tiny bit of onion and corn. Corn.
And fish and meat for me.
Sure.
We actually are cooking fish.
Actually, I wouldn't mind also a little of like ham or
We got
steak
some
a little bit.
fish and carrots and red pepper and onion
That's
cooking
supposedly.
in here. And we'll add maybe a little bit of that fish if it gets done in
Did you
time.
rinse that carrot?
Yes, I did. I just didn't scrape it.
Oh, I see.
But I did rinse it.
Okay.
And that way we can have some cooked versions of all this stuff. Although it's, everything we put
Bell
vegetable-wise.
pepper always tastes better raw, less green. Which is
And a little bit of
good.
salad greens would be nice, like cilantro would have been perfect. Oh, and tomato. Oh.
Actually,
Okay,
that's
I'm
what the box
dreaming.
had on it.
Anybody want to buy us a little tomato plant? That would be really cool.
That's what the box said. The box
Oh,
for
that
the
looks good too.
yeah.
Yeah.
Corn, black beans, onion, cheese.
We're hungry.
That looks delicious.
Okay.
That looks amazing to look at. I'm like, I want that.
We're gonna go ahead and
black
eat.
beans and cheese at the same
We're
time.
just doing what make do with whatever ingredients we happen to have in the house.
But you know what? I mean, everybody can have some sort of tortilla or bread. If you have tortillas, then you probably have cheese.
Not everybody eats grains, by the way. Did you know
Of course, you can do that.
that? Okay.
If you have tortillas and you like tortillas, then then get some cheese, and you probably have an avocado. I'm guessing if you have cheese and tortillas, you probably have avocados. You probably have rice, and you probably have beans too, because they're just staples. Exist.
Well, that's what I'm saying. Is not everybody. You got to
Not
remember.
everybody eats cheese. You're right, but things like rice and beans are usually almost everywhere in everyone's pantry.
The thing to remember, regardless of what ingredients you have, is do you have a protein? So for us, we have some beans and cheese as our protein. Do you have a vegetable? We found a bell pepper and a little bit of onion.
The avocado also acts as a vegetable.
Yeah, the avocados is oils and fats and
And the
little bit of
the
yeah, sure. We
the
can
edge of the tortilla.
is corn and starch.
Tortilla and the rice is the filler slash carbs. That's carbs.
Yeah, so you want to starch or carbohydrate.
You want some sort of filler slash carbs. You want some sort of vegetable.
Oh no, you know what the tortilla is? The tortilla is the crisp. You want a crunch. You want something in your meal that has some kind of crunch.
You want carb filler, carb slash filler, crunch. Usually carbish or nut. And
Microgreens. Oh,
yeah,
that would be so
tastes
good.
delicious.
We should grow some microgreens.
I still want the corn. Then vegetable, and then protein, and then color.
Yeah, gotta have a color.
Yeah, you
Can't have a meal without color. If you have a meal without color,
Always try to add some sort of color, no matter what the color is. Add some sort of color. That it's not just all white and black or white and brown, like some meals are.
Yeah. And theoretically, the more greens you have, and we have plenty of greens out in the garden, we just did not harvest any today, and...
The more color you have in your meal means the more diverse stuff you have in your meal.
When we've been on the computer a lot, we tend to... Yeah.
Spoiled kitty cat. We ran out of dry cat food for a while, so we started feeding her wet cat food. Now that's all she eats.
No, she had some of the dry cat food. Oh, I got some new ones. I realized I had some more stored in the pantry. But she's hungry now, so we have to go feed her now. Here's her little spot. There is some on your plate, but yeah, she wants the wet food now. She's like, no, this is the wet food.
Okay. I'll feed you.
Oh, she's so cute. That's a lot. No, just a little bit, please.
I usually feed her about that much.
Oh, please only be serving her about half that, Eagle.
Okay.
All right. Thank you. No.
Yum, yum,
Half
yum,
of that. Here, come back. All right, she's eating. Time for us to eat. Yum. I'm so hungry I can't even eat right now. All right. Talk to y'all later. Have a beautiful night, day. Oh, and remember to check your posture. Stretch. Okay. Reach for the sky. Reach for the stars. Oh, no, I shouldn't show that. Okay. All right. Everybody enjoy. Oh, wait. Land on the happy smile. Cheese. And as always, thanks.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.